Hi guys, welcome back to the Nashville City Club. My name is Chef Ian Peters, and on today's video I want to show you how to make a barbecue roasted brisket. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about the brisket. I'm going to show you how to make the rub. I'm going to tell you about the time and tenderness it takes to cook this piece of meat, and hopefully by the end, if you try this at home, you'll have a beautiful product. So, things that you'll need for this video: you'll need a brisket. This one's 11 pounds. You can get them cut in half, ask your butcher, or just find it in a smaller weight. I'll have the stuff for my rub. I'll have salt, garlic, chili powder, paprika, onion powder, mustard powder, and finally I'll have cumin, and the base is brown sugar. Other things you'll need for this video: obviously a cutting board, a knife, and a roasting pan. If you have a rack, a roasting rack, it'd be good to use, but if not, it's not totally necessary. So first thing we're going to start doing is making the rub. I want to add the smaller ingredients first. I'll add the cumin, paprika, chili powder. So welcome back. We have our beef brisket here. It's been marinating in the walk-in cooler for about 13 to 14 hours now. We're going to throw this in the oven at 225. That's for convection oven. If you're going to do a home oven, it's going to be 25 degrees more. So you're going to do 250, 255. We're going to roast this for about 8 hours. So we're going to throw it in and see how it turns out. All right, welcome back. We've had this brisket in the oven for about 9 hours at 225. What we're going to want to do is let this rest. An important part of letting meat rest is to make sure that most of the juices don't fly out of the meat when you cut it. It gets quite messy on your cutting board when you do that. As you can see, maybe at the bottom, that some of the fat, most of the fat is rendered off. We're not going to save that, we're going to reserve it. So I'm going to take it after it's been cooled, and I'm going to put it on my cutting board. Now, okay, so for this piece of meat, the grain will run lengthwise of the meat. So we're going to cut against the grain to create the tender product that we're looking for. So just for reference, I'm going to cut a middle piece out right here just to show you what it looks like. If you can kind of close up see, you can see that the grain in there is running lengthwise. So we're going to keep cutting that way. And there you have it. Tender, sliced barbecue roast brisket. So if you want some of this, come on down to the Nashville City Club. This will be on our menu. Anytime you want to give us a call, Monday through Saturday, we're going to be here for you. Hope to see you again soon. It's Chef Ian. Bye.